Okay, so I'm gonna do a video on how I do my boost gauge. So I did mine a little bit different. I got tired of copper line always leaking and the plastic line degrading after a year. Like the line that goes in here on my boost gauge or the gauges are usually nylon and they don't last very long, they crack. So what I did is I ran an adapter. I ran a 1/8 to 1/8 and then I used a 1/8 barb and then 1/8 vacuum line. So yeah, they're hard to find, but you can find them. It's a 1/8 female to 1/8 female and then the 1/8 barb. And in order to hold your boost gauges in, so you can see this one's held in, you'll need to wrap it in 2 layers of electrical tape and then just push it in, and that'll hold it and you can take it in and out and it won't move, it won't do anything. But I just got tired of messing with those lines, so I'll give you the part number on this grommet right here, if you can see it. And this is the grommet you're gonna need. I'll try to zoom in on, there we go. So 5/8 OD times 5/16 ID, and you'll need to use a 1/2 inch drill bit. Like it said, it called for 7/16, but the problem is, when I measured it, that was for an 8mm line, and this one's like 8.5, so 1/2 inch will work. You can see over here, if I zoom in, there's my old one on the bottom. I just kind of siliconed it. This doesn't require anything. Like this is completely sealed right here. This is tight, but not too tight. And what I did was I hammered I used an extension to flatten this out a little bit before I drilled it so that this would seat really well. But yeah, this runs perfect. And then all I have to do is hook it up to the back of my boost gauge right there, and I'm all set. I'll never have to worry about leaking copper lines or these crappy nylon lines, which I know I hate both of them. I really do. And I just got to seal that up over there with some Honda Bond, and that's just how I'm doing mine. You can do yours any way you want. This is the way I like to do it because I just got tired of having to. I like to do stuff once and be done with it for life. So I'll show you how it works. Okay, there's the boost gauge hooked up, and you can see I'm running a vacuum line instead of the other one. And there it is.